like a Hellcat.
Hey everyone, this is Teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. I hope you're all doing great. For today's activity, or I can say it's a process called yoga. So what is yoga? Yoga is an old practice from India. In yoga we do breathing exercises, meditation and different poses called asanas. Practicing yoga regularly helps you to improve your physical, mental and spiritual health. We are about to do some of the best yoga poses to improve our body. The diamond pose, also known as Vajrasana. Sit on the floor with your back up straight, stretch your legs in front of you. Now bend your legs and place under your buttocks and sit on your heels. Make sure your thighs are together and toes touching each other. Now keep your hands on your thighs. Stay there for 5 to 10 breaths and relax. Downward facing dog pose, also known as Adho Mukha Suasana. Start with the diamond pose and slowly come in an all fours position with your hips above your knees and shoulder above your wrists or slightly forward. Now tuck your toes and lift your knees off the floor. Keep your head in line with your hand and keep breathing normally. Stay there for 5 to 10 breaths. To come out of this position, bring your knees back down to the floor and slowly sit on your heels. Now keep your hands on the floor next to your waist and relax. The cat pose, also known as Marjariasana. Start on your hands and knees with your knees under your hips and wrist under your shoulder and look straight. Now breathe out and pull your belly in and lift your waist up. Hold this position for 5 to 10 breaths. Relax your other muscles and breathe normally. Feel the stretch in your back. Now slowly bring your back down, your head up and look straight. Now slowly sit on your heel and relax. The Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana. Lie on your stomach. Keep your head sideward. Bring your legs together and palms facing upward. Keep your chin on the floor and bring your hands near to your chest. Now breathe in and lift your upper body off the floor and look up. Breathe normally. Hold this posture for 5 to 10 breaths. Now, while breathing out, slowly come down. Put your chin on the floor. Bring your hands down and head to one side and relax. The camel pose, also known as Ustrasana. Come onto your knees, slowly lean back and touch your heels with your hands. Keep your chest lifted and stay in this position for 5 to 10 breaths. Now exhale and come back up on your knees and sit on your heels, then relax. The butterfly pose or the bound angle pose, also known as Titliyasana. Sit up straight and stretch your legs in front of you. Now pull both your legs in close to your pelvis. Hold your foot. Keep your back straight and chest open. Look front and move your legs up and down like so and breathe normally. You can do this for 5 to 10 counts You can also perform this pose a bit faster, like so. You can do this for a couple of breaths. Now, leave your foot and stretch your legs forward, like so, and relax. Yoga increases your concentration, flexibility, and muscle strength. It also develops discipline and self-control. I hope you have enjoyed doing these animal poses or asanas. So that's all for today's activity. Stay healthy, be active, and keep rocking. See you when you see me back. Bye-bye.